Hello children, this is your art teacher. Today we are going to make a tea coaster. Chalo, let's start now. We need a cardboard, any cardboard you can take, a paper, glue, scissor, tape and colors. So whichever colors you have available at home you can use. Okay, let's start now. First take a paper. Now this is I'm using the used one as we don't have too much of material. For the size, just fold it into cross so you will get the square properly. So I got the square. Okay, so now this remaining portion you are going to cut because it is not a square. So I got the square, 4 square. Now you can choose your own design, a simple flowery design, or as I had made animals. This is a Varley painting, birds, any drawing you can choose. I'm showing you one simple drawing, a floral drawing, or leaves and petals you can use, a very simple design. First draw the design on the paper and then you have to cut it. So whichever design you want, color it nicely. We need this 6 pieces this way, so your tea coaster will be ready. Now after drawing this you have to color it nicely and then go for the cutting. Just now I will show you a little bit of coloring, not too much. So you are going to color with your own ideas. After coloring this, see, after coloring I'm going to cut the piece. See, can you see the folds? See, on this line. This way you cut all the pieces after coloring. Then keep a cardboard and draw the outline and cut the piece like this. Okay, so you will get 4 pieces. Now keep your paper here and then take a tape and just put around it. You can first put little bit glue also so that it doesn't move. Okay, you can put the tape all around. See this way. Turn around and place it this way. Place it nicely. After placing this you will get the thing done this way. So after doing this, to just secure this you can put a tape on this all over. So see, can you see the shining? So it will not, if water is fall down, it will not spoil this paper because I have put on a sellotape. Can you see this sellotape? So you can put all over this big sellotape on the whole thing, on this. See this way, the whole, on this whole way you can put the sellotape this way all around. See, I had made the drawing behind also, so any water or anything is fall, it will not spoil your thing and it will last for long. So it is waterproof also. Okay, we are making it waterproof. See that I'm overlapping little bit on the first step where I have put in it. Okay, now the end. This way you are going to apply the tape. So it is now waterproof, nothing will happen. See, I will show you, nothing is happening. See, I'm putting a water. You can wipe it with a cloth. See, you can wipe it with the cloth, nothing has happened. So try it, enjoy your tea coaster, and you can choose any of the designs, simple design, it's okay. Try it and enjoy your craft. See you children.